The number one searched item on TikTok last week for empty nesters was how to make extra income. So if you're an empty nester or you're retired, make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. If you're an empty nester or you're retired and you want to earn some extra money, now is the time to learn how to make money online. You are not too old and it is easier now than it has ever been. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Casey Humphrey. I'm a 54-year-old digital marketer. I'm also an empty nester that 2 years ago I was tired, lonely, and depressed. I was depressed because my husband and I had dropped the ball with our financial future and we did not have the money to go do the things that we wanted to do as empty nesters. So if you found yourself in that position that you were sitting around broke, tired, bored, now is the time, guys. The Legacy Builder program that I promote is beginner friendly. I didn't have to have any tech skills and I didn't have to have any followers. And in this day and age, if you can copy and paste and you have a social media account, you can do it too. You are ready to learn a new skill and make some extra income and work from home 2 hours a day from your phone? Put yes in the comment. We'll be happy to share the Legacy program with you.